Welcome to miniOrange. In this video, we will walk through the setup of KeyCloak as an identity provider for Jira using the miniOrange SAML SSO app. First, in miniOrange's SAML SSO app for Jira, click Configure. Then add new IdP. Select the way you want to set up your IdP. Go to Quick Setup and select KeyCloak. Choose the option to configure the metadata in your identity provider. Select by manually configuring the metadata on your IdP. Now switch to the KeyCloak admin console. Go to Clients and create a new client. Select the client type as SAML. From the miniOrange app, copy the SP entity ID or issuer and paste it into the client ID field in KeyCloak. Give a descriptive name to the client and press Next. Switch back to the miniOrange SAML app and copy the ACS URL into the KeyCloak console. In KeyCloak, locate valid redirect URIs and enter the ACS URL there. Save the changes. Next, configure the name ID format and select username or email as your name ID. Enable signing options as required. Save your settings to confirm changes. In the KeyCloak console, open the advanced settings. Then, in the miniOrange app, copy the ACS URL again. Update the assertion consumer service post binding URL with the ACS URL. Save your settings. Go to the Client Scopes tab and select the dedicated client scope. Add predefined mappers that include attributes such as email, given name, and surname. Click Add to confirm. Switch back to the miniOrange SAML setup and click Proceed. Enter a name for your custom IdP. Continue with metadata configuration and select the option that you already have a metadata URL. Return to the KeyCloak admin console to retrieve metadata. Access Realm Settings to find SAML metadata. Right-click and copy the SAML 2.0 IdP metadata URL. Paste this into the miniOrange SAML console and save the configuration. Click the link to copy the test URL and open it in a new tab. Review all details to confirm the integration is successful. Proceed to the next step in your application setup. You can choose the user attribute with which you want the user to log in. Also, the user's profile attributes in Jira will be set based on their attributes in the IdP. Now, select attributes for username and email, and configure user attribute mappings as required. Continue by saving and proceeding to finalize settings. Press Finish. Finally, you've completed the configuration. Now, when you go to your Jira login page, you'll see the corporate login option available. Click on it, and you will be redirected to the KeyCloak Identity Provider login screen. Here, enter your credentials, the same username and password managed in KeyCloak. After successful authentication, you'll be redirected back to Jira and logged in automatically. You can also check your user profile in the Profile section. Verify your name and email. And that's it. You've successfully configured KeyCloak as your identity provider for Jira using the miniOrange SAML SSO app. Thank you.